Hey there, Cancer! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So before we dive into this reading of yours, remind yourself this is not for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you. And if you feel connected into this reading, then this reading might really for you. And of course, we do not have any gender right here. So just take what only resonates. So, ano pang hinihintay natin, Cancer? Let's dive right into your reading. Yan. So, tignan natin. Spirits and Angel, guys. At Angel Michael, thank you so much. Just gathering up all the energies for you, Cancer people. Messages for my dear Cancer, please. This is for Cancer, please. I can see you popping out into someone's dream. Napapanaginipan kayo ng isang tao rito at kung sino siya, may ending dito na sa inyong dalawa. To the point na para kayong isang nightmare dito na nightmare sa kanya pero gusto niya ulit bumalik dun sa nightmare na yun kasi alam niya na dun kanya ulit makakasama. Oh, sa kanyang panaginip, no, napakaayos ng inyong pag-uusap, napaka-sweet ninyo, punong-puno ng lambingan, no? Pero kasi kaya ako nabanggit yung nightmare kasi tapos na kung ano man to because we saw the death, but this person wants rebirth right here. Yeah. See? The judgment is right here. This person is like calling, okay, all the saints or all the spirits and angel guys right here to bring him back to that time, no, nakasama niya pa kayo. Pero yun nga, no, this person is just dreaming for this. Siguro mahirap kang hanapin or hagilapin, Cancer, no? Kasi this person could be sending you some kind of messages but you're not responding. Maybe kasi ayaw mo na rin siyang kausap. Okay? Kaya parang gugustuhin niya na lang na bumalik siya dun sa nightmare city mo. Di makatulog sa gabi. Yan. Tutsi Gibara siya. Nine of Swords energy. See, umaga na, no? Pero tingnan mo, no? Parang siya naggagaganyan ng buhok niya, no? Parang gusto niyang bilangin kada hibla. So, whatever the case may be, this person right here feels helpless and hopeless about the situation with you. So, kung kaya niya lang talagang ibalik ang kahapon, gagawin niya daw. See, King of Cups is energy. This person is living in his or her own island right here, thinking about you with a heavy heart. Gusto niya talaga rito na makaalis. Oh, see, remembering you, remember me. Do I have to say goodbye? Sana tama yung lyrics ko. But this person right here, okay, cannot forget about you. This person, you're popping into his or her dreams. E, paano hindi ka magpa-pop out sa dreams niya? Eh, halos buong araw kanya 24/7 kanyang iniisip dito. Tingnan mo, gumagawa talaga to ng paraan no, para makausap ka. Pero yun nga mga babes, no, mukhang hindi mo talaga no. This person is taking some kind of an action. And this 5 of coins is a blockage right here. So there's a block in communication. Sword is a symbol of communication. And there's this blockage right here. Okay? You could have a child right here with this person but doesn't have to be, pero kasi maaaring mga babes, no, alam mo yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya noon or kung ano man yung naging relasyon yung dalawa, na minahal mo talaga siya, no, kagaya ng pagiging excited, kagaya ng isang bata. Diba kapag ang bata ay nagmamahal, napaka-sweet, no, yung parang yumayakap sila sa mga mami nila, mami, tas kikis sila, no, ganun yung parang sobrang light ng energy, napaka-sweet, no, ganun kayo, no, so pwede nyo iba sa inyo, clingy pa nga kayo sa kanya, Cancer, no, yan, pero kasi nagkaroon na ng ending dito, so hindi pa lang kung anong ginawa ni itong tao na to sa inyo, yung iba pwedeng ginost kayo, kaya kayo ganyan, ng ghost na rin kayo, no, literal na talagang may blockage rito, no, pwedeng pag-block ng number or SIM card, pwedeng pag-block sa mga social media accounts, IG Direct at kung ano-ano pa rito mga social media applications, could be Facebook and Messenger but doesn't have to be. Okay? Pwede ring phone calls. So whatever it is, this person wants to turn back the time. Sabi ko sa inyo, the memories of the past, gusto niyang balikan, the wheel and the fortune and the 6 of cups energy. This person is doing, okay, anything right here to contact you. Pero kayo na talaga yung nagsasalag rito. Let's see at the bottom of the deck. We have here the 3 of cups. See? This person is wanting a reunion, a reconciliation, to rekindle this relationship with you guys, no? Pero I think kahit na lumapit pa ito sa mga friends, saka nakakita ko rito ang dami ring involved Cancer, no? So, hindi ko alam. Parang ang daming nadawit rito, ang daming sumakit yung ulo rin, no? Dito sa pagkakahiwalay ninyong dalawa. Siguro nung time na parang nagkakagulo kayo rito, ang dami ring mga tao rito na nadamay. So, pwedeng may third party dun, but doesn't have to be a person. Okay? Could be anything. Pwedeng problema na pumagitna sa inyo, pwedeng isang issue, no, na nag-arise between you guys, mga ganyan. Yeah, with the Three of Swords, yeah. There's a definitely third-party situation. And this person feels like stormy days. See? So, whoever this individual is, parang ngayon, no, naglilista siya with his or her journal right here ng mga posibleng pwedeng gawin, or baka naglilista siya dito na pwede niyang hingan ng tulong, no, at iniikis niya na lang pagka ayaw siyang tulungan or nilapitan siya, whatever, no, or nilapitan niya. So, I can see that with the Queen of Wands, you know what you want, and you are starting your life anew with the Ace of Swords energy, and there's this Ten of Cups. So, I can see that you know who you want, and you know what you deserve, and you know what you want in your life, and you're starting a new beginning right here. There are lots of messages that you're receiving here, and look at that. Pwedeng meron na rin talaga kayong kasama or kausap-kausap ngayon na nakikita nyo na rin bilang inyong future spouse, no? Tingin nyo na sa kanya is extended family na. So, maaaring iba sa inyo, nahanap nyo na rin talaga no, yung kapalit nitong person na to, Cancer, no? And this is you. Alam mo, you are so lovely here. Your energy is really attractive. Kasi this is you na merong kapangyarihan yung salita mo na kapag nag-advise ka, it will really enlightens one path. Okay? Lalo na yung mga naguguluhan, no? Sa mga problemang pinagdaraanan nila. So, you could be a teacher or a mentor, or you could be intuitive or something to do with connecting to your spirituality. So, I can see that this person wants reconciliation with you. This person in making some movement. Kung hindi pa siya gumagawa ng movement, gagawa yan mga babes ng movement, no? Pero, nangyayari dito, binablock at binablock nyo lang. Okay, alam mo yun sa volleyball, diba? Kailangan, pag, diba, kunwari, pag blinak, diba, pagka sinerve yun, tapos blinak no kalaban, ganun, ginagawa nyo. Binablock nyo rito, no, yung message nyo rito, to the point na, posibleng nababasa ninyo, no, pero naka-auto-block na, diba? So, you're not paying attention, or any interest, you're not showing at all. Diba? So, kung sino man tong person na to, nakikita ko rito na hindi pa siya napapagod, pero lalo siyang nawawalan ng pag-asa. Hindi ko siya nakikitang napapagod, pero nawawalan siya rito ng hope, no? Na magkakaayos pa kayo. At lalagi niyang iniisip yun. Meron siyang particular specific na iniisip eh. Okay? Na when it comes to that word nightmare, no, pwedeng yung bagay na hindi niya sana sinabi or baka hindi niya sana ginawa, yun yung parang iniisip niya na sana, with the word sana hindi ko na lang yung ginawa, sana hindi ko na lang yung pinakialaman, ganun ang kuha ko rito yun, no? So, sana hindi ko na lang yun. Okay? Sana hindi na lang yun nangyari. Yun. So, ever this person is yung picking up that this person wants this relationship back to life, but I don't see that you're gonna participate anymore because I can see na ikaw talaga ang nagbablock sa kanya rito. Okay, like you even tell your friends, no, na parang hayaan nyo na yun, wag ka nang basta wag nyo na lang ibigay yung number ko sa kanya, okay na tayo, move on na tayo sa life natin, okay, ganun, parang ganun ka, no, to the point na you're giving me this vibe of I don't even wanna hear his or her name. I don't wanna alam mo yun, deal with whoever that person is. It's like you na parang pinagsisisihan mo na kilala mo siya ever. That's the feeling. That's the vibe you're giving me. It's like, who is that person? Parang, I don't wanna remember him or her, but how can I forget him or her? This person cost me a lot to bear in the past. Yan. So, whoever this individual is, it's like, ayoko na sa kanya. Ganun yun, no, Cancer. And what I love about this sa inyo, you have already someone here with you. At kung wala pa yan, parating na siya. that is someone here that you will feel like a family, or you're gonna create a family with whoever that is. Okay? So, thank you so much, Cancer. Sana ngayong love and life. Annyeong!